Hey, my name's Lee. I have a 2000 Maxima, and I was on my way back from work the other night, and backstory, I had a tune-up done, and the guy that did the tune-up couldn't get the spark plugs out, so he pulled the valve cover off. And the car is a 2000, and it's not had a tune-up or anything like that. And so when he did take the valve cover off, there's a gasket that goes there. That valve cover gasket, it kind of keeps the oil into the oil cylinder. Okay, so when he did the tune-up, you know what I mean? I thought everything's good. I haven't had an oil leak. It's 2000. I've never had an oil leak. Well, I checked the oil about 2 weeks ago and didn't even notice, like an idiot, that there was oil all over the pan. So when I was on my way home from work the other night, my car, the airbag light was coming on and the lights got dim, and I was like, oh shoot. So I turned the car off and it wouldn't turn back on. And I went to check and look and saw that the oil was all over there, and I had zero oil in my car. There was just some crud in the bottom. So I'm gonna tell you what I did. I went on YouTube and I found a couple things, and nobody really said to do this, and I'm in my car. It's running right now. My engine was it was seized. It was seized. If it wasn't seized, it was 2 seconds away from it. It wouldn't turn over. So I went and bought a new battery, because I thought that, anyway, I needed the new battery, because what I did was I took a thing of acetone and some Pro-Select hydraulic oil, because I needed something thin, so that it would cycle through the engine. And then I bought this acetone. Dude, I put this whole thing in my motor oil, and then I put that whole thing in, and then I put another 2.5 quarts of oil in, and my car's running and it's idling with the heat on. So acetone, I know they say you can put it in your gas, you can put it in transmission fluid, you can put it in your oil too. So I prayed. I got my Bible out and read, and I prayed to God to please start my car, and I'm about to run it around in circles just to make sure. But yeah, acetone and oil, and thank you God. Good luck, guys.